Mr. Secure the Bag, #1 dad. I know it's been a minute since I gave you guys a video. I'm gonna give you guys more videos, more content coming to you guys. I still want you guys to follow me, stick with me, like, share, subscribe. But to let you guys know, Pegasus is getting a new mod today. New mod today is gonna be a little audio, probably a little security, who knows? A little different look, okay? So you guys just stay tuned, stay with me, and we'll get back to it with you guys, all right? Guys, check them out on PCH Custom. I was on Instagram, came across their page and decided to come on out here. Man, it's taking care of us right here. He's getting it broke down. We're gonna be all together. See that? Oh. Yeah, we don't want to get copyrighted. Here we go. See that? He hooked us up. He hooked us up. We're not gonna get copyrighted, y'all. Keep our video going, man. Our man right here is gonna hook us up right here. Oh, he breaking the whole car down, y'all. Look at that. He done got the whole piece about to come all the way up out there. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. Got the dragster, big motor, get back. Crack, crack. I want y'all to check this out, man. Look at this. Oh, wait. Look at that, y'all. Rolling. No, you ain't messing with that. No, you ain't messing with that. That's nothing but money right there, y'all. Big dough. Right there in that motor. Nobody riding but me. See that? One seat in there. Ready to go, y'all. The sound of dash? Who knows? He's ready to go. He's got the big, look at the meat. Look at the meat on the back of these tires. Look at the meat on the tires. Fat boy, Nicky Thompson's on there. I don't know nothing about that, buddy. All right, y'all, we're back again. You see her? You see her? I bet you guys are wondering what is gonna happen. Guys, don't forget, like I said, PCH Customs. Pegasus gotta upgrade. I'll take a look. Yeah, buddy. See what this is. What does it say? Don't think you're gonna be able to run up, because you run up, I got something right back there for you. Think it's a game, it's not. This guy Andrew's man right here, he hooked me up today. Give him the number, man, and the address real quick one time.
It is 310-830-1400. We're in the city of Wilmington, 1330 West Pacific Coast Highway, Wilmington, California. Come down, check us out.
All right, guys, you guys heard it. You guys heard it. You guys come check him out, man. These guys just hooked me up, got me right. Oh boy, he's handling business. I know he wanted to say what's up. I know he wanted to say what's up. I know he wanted to say what's up, man. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. I want you guys to check these guys out. You know, y'all. New look, new look, new look, new look, new look. Check it out. We turn it up now. Can't see me. Who's in there? Who's in there? Yeah. Turn it out. Pegasus is coming together, y'all. Pegasus is coming together. Rams on the way. Can't tell you, new look coming too. New look coming very soon, you guys. Like I said, stick with me through this journey, and you guys are gonna see Pegasus grow into the beast that she's gonna be. I'm trying to tell you, we did the mid-muffler delete already. Got the tinted windows. Got a little bit of boom, boom, bam, 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 bam. Don't worry about none of that. Because if you do come, I got some bam, bam, to bam, 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 bam for you too. But you guys stay with me, man. Let's take this ride together, you guys. All right, later.